Good morning, students. I hope you are revising well. So today in mathematics I am going to revise estimating sums and differences. Estimating sums and differences. Estimating sums and differences. How can you estimate sums and differences? You take care. I am giving some examples. As example number first, 232 plus 856. You have to find out the sum as estimated. So if the digits are equal, this 232 also 3-digit number and 856 also 3-digit number. If the digits are equal, so how many numbers are given means from how many numbers, from how many digits the number is made of. You take one less. Suppose to it is given this number is made of 3-digit number as 856, 8, 5 and 6. So you take only 2 digits. Here also take only 2 digits. 2 digits means 2 zeros number as 100. In 100, how many 0? 2 0. So always you take one less. If you have 4-digit number, you take round off only 3-digit number from 1s, 10s, 100. You start from right hand side, 1s, 10s, 1s, 10s. If the number is given 5-digit number, you take from the right hand side only 4-digit, one less. So in this way you can take round off. After that you can estimate this. So 232, see 232. Here 3 is this 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So it means it is compulsory that this number as 1s, 10s means 2 numbers here, 2 zeros means 100 has 2 zeros. So if as estimating taking round of hundreds, it is necessary that this number in the place of here, tens place, it should be 5 for the next number as round up. If it is less than 5, it means before number should be counted. So approximate, you can say this is less than 50, 32. If you are taking both digits, you can say also, or you can say also 32 is less than 50. Also you can say 32 is less than 50. So it means it is estimated as 200. 200. See 856. 856. 856. See 2 digit. It is 56. More than 50. More than 50. 5 is equal to 5. So if the digit 1s, 10s, 10s place digit is more than 5 or more than 5, it is estimated next number as to completing 2 zeros number means till 100. So 856 as the next in the place of 5600 and 1 you increase here, it will be 9. So 900. So 856 taking round off 900. Now you estimate sum. Now you estimate sum. So estimated sum is equal to 200 plus 900 is equal to 1100. So in this way you can estimate. If the 3-digit number given, you take only 2 digits, ones and tens place. I will take round of 100. If the number is given like that, 5-digit number, like that 8, 9, 3, 6 plus 7, 3, 2, 1. 4-digit number, if it is given, you take only 3-digit number. You can estimate as 3-digit number taking, you less 1, you make less 1, you take only 3 digit, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. In this way you can estimate. So I am estimating this 8,936. I estimated. See here 936. 9 is greater than 5. So it will be next number. It is 936. Greater than 500. So it will be complete 1000 place. So here will be 0, 0. Here 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So it will be 9. So it will completed here 8,936 means 9,000. It is estimated as 9,000. And 7,321. See, 3 digit. 3 is less than 5, or you can say all the 3 number less than 500. So it will be the less place. As taking 1000. This is a 1000. As round off 1000. So it will be 7,000. 7,000 because 321 is less than 500. It will be 7,000. If here in the place of 3, like 5, 6, 7, 8, like this number you will find. So it will be 7,000 here, it will be 8,000. 8,000 here, it will be 9,000. So in this way you can do. Now estimated sum. Estimated sum is equal to 9,000 plus 7,000. 9,000 plus 7,000 is equal to 16,000. So estimated sum is 16,000. In this way you can do. As next example, third you see, if it is given 28 plus 368. See the less digit number. So less digit number is 28. 28 is made up of 2 digit, 2 and 8. This is 3 digit number. So according to less digit number, you take round off. So you take round off accordingly less digit number as 28. It is 2 digit number, it is 3 digit number. So it is 2 digit number, it is 3 digit number. You take 2 digit number, according to 2 digit number, you take round off. So always take in your mind, you take care. Firstly, you identify the number using as least digit. So you less one, you take only 8, means tens place. You take only this 8 only ones place. So tens, as you take round of tens. So as 28, taking round of tens, it will be 8 is more than 5. So it will complete the next number as 2 plus 1 3 and 0 30 and 368. It is also taking round of tens. It will complete 10. So it will be 68 and 6 will be 7. So 370. So 368 taking round of 370. After that, estimated sum. Estimated sum is equal to 30 plus 370 is equal to 400. 400 is the answer. In this way you can do. For subtraction also you can do. Same rules should be followed. For subtraction also. Suppose to for subtraction, $833 minus 286. You see, both are equal, 3-digit number. So you take only 2 digit from the last digit as 2 digit. I am taking round of 100. So these 3, 833, taking round of 100. So it is round of, taking round of 100. You can write also here in bracket, taking round of 100. Taking round of 100. So in this way, you can take 2 digits. This 3 is less than 5. So it will come back the less number as 833 here. So it will be 800. Also you can say 33 is less than 50. 33 is less than 50. So just come back the number as 800 value and 286. See, 8 is more than 5 or 86 is more than 50. It will be complete the next number as with 2 zeros. So 0 here and 2 plus 1 3. So it will be 300. Estimated difference. Now estimated difference is equal to 800 minus 300 is equal to 500. So estimated difference is 500. So in this way, dear student, you can do estimating sums and differences, as I am giving you to do exercise 1F. You can do today 1F, first question and second question. Tomorrow I will explain estimating product and estimating quotients. For today's class, thank you.